Hey, bucklers, I'm going to show you how to add chroma keyed animations to your stream. And not this chroma key. It's fine. If you're unfamiliar with chroma keying, I'll explain simply. We're going to take this Heart Me video I was asked to make for another streamer shown stock on the left and make it look like the version on the right that is properly overlaid by telling Live Studio to replace the green with transparency. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to open Live Studio, which I have opened here. And we're going to open Tikfinity, which I have opened here. Okay, now in Tikfinity, we're going to go down to Actions, and then we're going to create a new action. And we're going to call this action Heart Me 1. Now we're going to go down to Play Video File, select File right here, and we're going to choose whichever video, which is Heart Me 1. Let that upload. All right. Now we're going to put in the duration, which is 23 seconds for this video. And now we're going to scroll down, kill the volume at 50%, and put it on screen 3. Keep in mind, if you're already using Tikfinity, you cannot use a screen that you are already using for other things such as screen 1 or 2. Chroma keyed animations will require their own screen. For example, we have screen 3 set to green, we would have to have screen 4 set to blue. Okay. Now we're going to copy this link here, and we're going to click save. Now we're going to jump back over to... I totally misspelled fucking Heart Me. Why didn't anybody fucking tell me that? You guys are slacking. All right, Heart Me 1. Now we'll save. Jesus. Okay, now we'll jump over to Live Studio, go to Sources, click Add Source. And then from here, we're going to click on Link right here. And then we're going to hit Add. Now, this little box will pop up, which you're probably familiar with if you already use Tikfinity. We're going to paste the link, but what you might not be familiar with is custom resolution. We're going to enable that and put in 1080 by 1920. And then we're going to click Apply. Okay. Now that's going to put this little box on your screen, which you should see, that you can move around and stretch and whatever. So we're going to move that around, and then we're going to click up on this right here, which is Fit to Screen. And you can see it covers the entire screen now, which is what we wanted. Right? We're going to jump back over to Tikfinity, and now we're going to create a new event. And that's going to be for everyone and sending a specific gift. We're going to choose Heart Me from the drop down by typing that in. And then you're going to see trigger all of these actions or trigger one of these actions at random. For this, we're going to use trigger one of these actions, and we're going to click our Heart Me 1 action that we made earlier. Now we can click Save. So you see we have the action and we have the event. And now we can go ahead and play to test our video. And you can see green on this, which we don't want. We're simply just testing to make sure the video is playing and that it's all aligned like it should be. So now we're going to right click on the link that we added in Live Studio, and we're going to rename it. So we're going to put in screen 3 chroma green. That way we know what's what. Okay. Now we're going to right click again. There we go. And we're going to click on advanced filters. From there, we're going to hit add, and we're going to select chroma key. Now this should already be set to green by default, so we're just going to go ahead and click apply. All right, now we're going to go back to Tikfinity and we're going to click play, and boom, the animation is playing flawlessly over the stream with the green screen removed. Now you have limitless options of having your animations do what you want them to do without the background covering your entire screen. Just remember, if your character has green, you will need to use a blue chroma key and vice versa. But regardless of the color backdrop you use, you will go through this same process, only changing the color of the chroma key in the advanced filters in Live Studio. So that's it. Hopefully this helped somebody. If this video did help you, please consider visiting the link in bio where you can help me out. Thanks for watching, and fucking yeah.